To use Magic Eraser and remove some objects from your photos on the Moto G86 5G, you have to start by going to the Google Play Store and download Snapseed application, because as default in the Google Photos edition there is no Magic Eraser. So download this Snapseed application from Google, open it, and now tap here to pick your photo that you want to adjust. Now you have to go for the tools and select healing. Next, you can pinch to zoom in to select something that you want to remove, and now just simply brush the object to remove. Now we have to wait a little bit. You get this, loading screen, but you can just go back like so. If it's not working, you can close and do this one more time. Sometimes you get some kind of the lagging issue, but now take a look. You are drawing here, and it's gonna remove that object. And there we go. Now you can click on the marker in the right bottom corner, and if you want to save this photo, you have to click here or go to the export at the bottom, and you can simply click to save. And now it's finished. You can just go for your photos by using Google Photos for sure, and here it is. You can also make some correction for sure, because you get this dark spot over here, so you can use this healing one more time.